Hi everyone, it's good to be back. Today I'm making for you coconut shrimp. I had to think about that for a second. And I want to mention, please share my videos. I would really appreciate it. That's how I get more viewers, that's how I get more subscribers. Anyway, I have here about 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp, cleaned with the little tail on so you can pick it up. Also, I have a cup of flour to which I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of onion, granulated onion, and 1/2 tablespoon of granulated garlic. We're going to mix that up till it's blended. What I also have here, ooh, that's not blended enough. Okay, here we go. 4 eggs scrambled. I'm going to add some salt to it. Mix that up. And here I have a cup of panko and a cup of coconut. We're going to mix that up. They're really crunchy, really delicious. I usually make this on Christmas Eve for the Feast of the Seven Fishes, but you can make it anytime. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is take the shrimp, dip it in the flour, then dip it in the egg, and then the panko mix with the coconut. There we go. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to bread them all, and I'll be back when I'm ready to fry. Okay, so I finished breading them. I finished breading them. What I'm going to do is fry them up. And when I'm done frying these little babies up, I'm going to taste it with some sauce that I'm going to make. And I'll have all the instructions, as I always do, beneath the video. I'll be back.
What type of oil are you using?
I'm using peanut oil.
There you go.
I'm using peanut oil.
How long should these take to cook?
Not long, 3-4 minutes on each side. I have it on a medium flame. And I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so these have been frying about 3-4 minutes. And now I'm flipping them over. This is the color that it should be. Should be like a golden brown. This one is a little bit, I smell it. My son is looking at it and going, because he doesn't like any kind of seafood or fish. But my family, the tacos, is a fish family because my grandfather came from Palermo, Sicily. And I love all kinds of fish. I think I don't know of any fish that I don't eat, except the big fat raw fish. But these are looking really good. And I added a little bit more panko and coconut because there wasn't enough. But I'll adjust the recipe in the below the video.
Yeah, we know what you're talking about.
So this will be ready in about 3 or 4 more minutes, and then I'll show you how to make a sauce if you want the sauce, or you could just use plain old lemon or tartar sauce, whichever you like. I come from a fish family. My grandfather was a fisherman from Palermo. He was a stowaway on a boat when he was 16 years old. And he came through Ellis Island, got off the boat, just like all my other grandparents. They, as this expression goes, they came off the boat. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes to make the dipping sauce. My son Arthur is lecturing me on when I taste the food, not to talk with the food in my mouth. So I'm gonna take my time, we'll have to edit a little bit, and chew it, and then talk. So, just to let you know why I'm laughing. I'm making this sauce. You don't have to use the sauce. You could use tartar sauce. And one of the people that answered on my crab cake video said that in England, they call it Worcester. So you could use Worcester.
John Dell. It's John Dell. Give John a shout.
John Dell, yes. You could use just plain lemon, or you could use the sauce that I'm gonna make here. This is marmalade. To the marmalade, I'm gonna add the juice of a lime. And you should add Asian chili, sweet Asian chili, hot pepper. But I don't have it, so I'm just using a little hot sauce. I don't even know if I'm gonna like this. I haven't made it in so long. But here you go. We're gonna try it. And I'm gonna cut a little piece of shrimp, dip it in the sauce.
Sounds very crunchy. Don't speak. She's dying to talk.
It is crunchy, but it's pretty good. If you want a little bit more spice, but you should use Asian chili sauce. That's a tongue twister. Until next time, and don't forget to share my videos. I'm asking very nicely, share.
That's why we don't talk with food in our mouth. We spit it on the table. Okay, let's wrap it up with a nice goodbye, everyone.
Until next time.
Adios.